Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I am sharing a very effective and easy remedy for skin whitening. This remedy will not only whitens your skin, but also help in reducing scars, and also help in shrinking your open pores. Thus makes your skin flawless and bright. So without any further delay, let's get started. Ingredients required for this remedy are Multani mitti, or Fuller's Earth. Also known as Fuller's Earth, Multani mitti has been used to get rid of skin issues, and achieve radiant, blemish-free skin since ages in India. Multani mitti is known to fight acne and pimples, removes excess sebum and oil, deep cleanses skin, and helps in removing dirt, sweat, and impurities. Evens out skin tone, and brightens complexion. Treats tanning and pigmentation. Effective in treating sunburn, skin rashes and infections. Facilitates blood circulation, leading to radiant, glowing skin. Hence Multani mitti is the best solution for all summers related skin issues. Milk. Lactic acid, present in milk, helps in skin whitening, and removes scars and pigmentation. Vitamin E oil capsule. Vitamin E oil for skin is highly beneficial. It moisturizes and nourishes your skin. It adds to your glow, and makes your skin smooth and healthy. The oil is also known to reduce hyperpigmentation and wrinkles, besides maintaining skin health. Method: take 1 teaspoon Multani mitti, or Fuller's Earth powder, in a bowl. Then make smooth paste with milk. At the end, add 1 vitamin E capsule in it. Mix all the ingredients very well. Your magical skin repairing mask is ready. Now apply thick layer on face, or hands, or any other body part of your choice. Now leave this mask for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face with normal water. You will see instant results. Your skin instantly brightens up with the help of this remedy. If you use this mask regularly for 15 days, it will shrink your pores and reduce scars effectively. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If so, then do share and like video, and hit the bell icon for notification, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.